Assalamu alaikum. I am Nisar Ahmad Dangru, lecturer English. I am posted at Higher Secondary School, Chadora. As an English teacher, as a teacher of literature, I always found it challenging to translate English into Urdu or English into Kashmiri because of the fact that the structures of different languages are different. Because of the fact that each language is unique in itself. The structures of each language are unique. Sometimes some of the structures of different languages are the same, but most of the times the structures of different languages are different. When a person tries to learn a second language, he has a natural tendency of comparing his mother tongue with the language which he wants to acquire. This is an absolute no-do. This creates a number of hurdles in learning the second language. So what I do at the beginning of each new session, I explain this thing to my students. I analyze a number of sentences, first simple sentences, then complex sentences, then bigger sentences. I persuade my students that the structures of different languages are different. It is important to learn the words, vocabulary of a language if you want to learn a language. But at the same time, learning the structures of the language which you want to acquire is must. For example, I have written a few simple sentences here. The first one is, I am a boy. I know I am a boy means मैं एक लड़का हूँ. What I want you to do is to go for word-to-word translation. When you go for word-to-word translation, you'll see I am a boy. मैं हूँ एक लड़का. We don't say this. Look at the other sentence. What is your name? It's clear. What's your name is equivalent to आपका नाम क्या है in Urdu. Again go for word to word translation. You will see आपका है, क्या है आपका नाम. We don't say that either. So we see the structures of English are different from that of Urdu. And it's not only the case with English and Urdu, it is the case with each and every language of the world. Look at the third sentence. Javed plays. Javed plays is equivalent to Javed khelta hai in Urdu. As a kid, this thing always haunted me. I used to ask this question to my elders, to my teachers, that why on this side we have only two words, on this side we have three words. I never felt Javed plays is equivalent to Javed khelta hai. I always felt that there is something wrong with this translation. I asked this question to my elders, but no one would give me a correct answer. But now at this stage, I know that its answer also lies in the fact that the structures of different languages are different. Javed plays, it is equivalent to Javed khelta hai. So I explain these things, I persuade my students, I make them clear that the structures of language are different at the very beginning of a new academic session. This helps me to get my job done easily, and I hope apply this tip, you'll also get your job done easily. Thank you.